Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and to be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, this is exciting. We got a few boxes in today, so I'm going to try to sit down, film them all, and get them up to you guys, because each one I think is an absolute surprise and a winner, and some things that are available now for you guys also. So make sure that you are tuned into the channel, because like I said, I'm going to do my best to upload everything today, and if not, it will be there tomorrow. All right, so starting with the box from Allure. This is a fantastic box. As I share with you all the time about this box, it was one of the first boxes that I got when I moved to the USA. At that time it was $15, and they were the first ones to increase up to that $23, but they changed a few things that they were doing. They promised us at least three to four full-size products in the box, and the value is always there. But what I always liked about the Allure box was also and I tell you this all the time, every box offers something special that makes me want to be a member of their box. And with Allure, it is their limited edition boxes. They always have these fantastic sales going on. They also changed their website, so now they have a shop that's in there that has special deals all the time and things like that. So this is why I like the Allure box. I also signed up for a full year with this box, because at that time they were offering a bonus box plus, and it was filled with so much stuff, as well as I think I got my box down to about $16 or $18. It's coming up, and when it comes up and there's no major deals going on, I then go back to my month to month, because that's what I'm comfortable with, because I don't have to pay for the whole year up front, but I still want to get this box. This box is also, as I share with you all the time when we try to do the spoilers, is available in two places. When I first started with this box, I bought it through Amazon's subscription. And on there, you can see exactly what is going to be in your box. When you do it through the Allure box, through their website, what I like about, and that's what I switched over to do it through their website, is not only do you always get a better deal, you can also get access to those limited edition shops, which you cannot with your membership when you do it through Amazon. So it's always better to go through allure.com. I do have my links down below for both, whatever you're more comfortable with, but I just always like to share with you how I started and what made me change my mind to go directly with their website. There's always a brochure in here, and a lot of this is written by the editors, because they have the opportunity to have so many products. And Allure, the magazine, is one that I still get to this day, because it is truly a Bible to me of everything beauty. All right, starting with the first item that is definitely a full size, and it is from such an amazing brand. This is a $32 value on its own, and like I said, this is in that $23 a month box. This is from Tula. It is their Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. This also was a Best of Beauty Allure winner. And this one says, why we'll love it. They're saying this is a delightful sugar scrub, has won an Allure Best of Beauty award because it is great for exfoliating all skin types, even sensitive ones. And as a bonus, it smells like a day at the beach. The sugar crystals melt away your exfoliant, leaving behind smoother, softer skin. And with regular use, your complexion will look more radiant, and your pores may even seem to shrink. What they wrote on how to use this, they're saying squeeze out a small amount and massage it in a circular motion over damp skin 2 to 4 times a week. In addition, to get rid of dead skin cells, the sugar scrub always will take away makeup too. And when we did the spoilers with this, I shared with you, I have never used a sugar scrub, and I will definitely open this up and show you, and we're gonna take a sniff. This is something that I've never used, an exfoliating scrub to remove my makeup. It's just something I never did. So I will test it, but I don't think I'm gonna change my routine. But until you try, you never know. They always also have sometimes a discount code in here for the brand, and this one is Allure 15. And they're saying you can always use this on the website of the actual brand. And this will be valid, the code, from August 1st through October 1st. And the code, like I mentioned, is Allure 15 for 15% off your order. They're saying it's not available, this discount, for any auto delivery, and it can't be combined with any other offer. So this one here had a safety seal. And if you're not familiar, what I do on my channel is I open up everything prior to sitting down so I could take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, I always tell you, you are missing out, because you are. And my name there is True Once with the number 2. And then I try to struggle with all the packaging so that when I sit down here, I could just sit down and talk to you guys about the products, and we can play and do swatches and all of that. So and also, just so you know, on my channel, I don't do edits. Not because I don't think, you know, it's important to do edits or not do edits. I come from the business world, and I'm still have businesses, and I really don't have that much extra time. I like to sit down, do what I need to do, and then film it, and that's it. And then I get to watch it back when you guys get to watch it back at the exact same time. That's how I do it. I know a lot of girls, they put little cute things in between and have the time to edit and relook and relook. I just don't have the time. So I appreciate so much that this channel has grown without doing any of those editing or anything like that, and that you guys are enjoying how I do my content. So this is the sugar scrub here. It does have that beautiful, beautiful scent to it. It is a lightweight scent, excuse me, we're gonna be filming all day, and I'm trying to do it in between other things, and I'm just trying to get it all done in one day. So this one here is, like I said, the exfoliation on here is really, really minor. You can really feel it, but it is not going to rip your skin or anything like that. It is really, really soft feeling, but you definitely feel the scrub on the inside. Really, really excited about that. So that's the first item in here, and to me, that more than paid for the box for me, because I do love Tula, and I find Tula is also a great brand if you have sensitive skin as well. The next one is a newer brand to me that I'm starting to see a lot of, and it is from this brand called Tint, and it's spelled TYNT, and this is a brow gel, and it is going to be in clear. I'm not going to open this up simply because brow products for me are not an absolute win, but I do have other people in my life that enjoy them, and this is clear, so if you have unruly brows, this is fantastic. Men can use this as well. The color that's on my brow, I'm always afraid to say it out loud. Don't have any of the grays or any of that yet, so I'm still pretty lucky that they're full, as well as, you know, it's kept its color so far. It says a few swipes of this clear gel is just the thing for setting and shaping your brows after you have filled them in, which in turn can make the brows look fuller. It also works wonders on its own because it is transparent. It could also make your brows look thicker without seemingly drawn on, and you never have to wonder if you found the right shade. Brush up your brows with a clear gel that makes them look awake and polished, and your eyes will also look more open. That's a great trick. It says if you're filling in your brows, do that first. Next, wipe the wand against the inside of the tube to remove any excess, and sweep and comb it lightly over each brow, angling the wand up and out toward the arches, and then gradually down on the outer edges of the brows. It looks like a little mascara wand from what I've seen with all these brow products. And this is a $14 value. This is also, I think, full size. They're saying it is a 2.5 mil, and that's what this is. And this is where to buy it, is at tintbeauty.com. And they're also giving a code Allure20 at checkout, and that will give you 20% off your order, valid August 1st through October 31st. The next item that is in here is a brand that is absolutely fantastic. This is Biossance, and it is a Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. They're saying why we'll love it. It is packed with super hydrators that have squalane, which is so fantastic, ceramides, omega fatty acids. This gel cream is a big calming hug for your skin. The texture is light and fluffy like a cloud. It is absolutely heavenly. It says how to use it after cleansing. Smooth, a hefty dollop from your hairline down. It is great for your face, your neck, and dries almost instantly, so there's no residue. This is a $58 value for a 1.6 ounce. And this here that we're getting in the box is a 0.5 fluid ounce, but it is a lot. So that is exciting, and this is what this looks like here. It does have one of those seals on the top that are easy to take off, but I always put these back on afterwards. I'm gonna take a little bit of it, I'll show you inside. It looks like a not lightweight, but when you touch it, it definitely feels like a lightweight cream. And when you're a combo girl like me, that's something that we always look for. So I'm going to put that on my other hand because I didn't take off the exfoliator yet on the other hand. And there's a bit of a scent to this, and it is not that pleasant, to be very honest. And then it dissipated. So yeah, it's completely gone now. But initially there was a smell that was not even, it didn't smell lovely, let's put it that way, but it's completely gone now. All right, the next item in here is a new brand to me as well, and this is from this brand called Esker, E-S-K-E-R, and they're saying this is a firming oil. They're saying summer is the best time of year for body oils, and this particular blend of rose and grapefruit and lavender and juniper oils delivers skin that's deeply hydrated and glowing all day long. This is a fresh, florally, citrusy scent. It is energizing and pairs well with most summer fragrances. It says if you massage it on right after the shower, when the skin is just slightly damp, it can get to work fast. A little bit goes a little bit on your limbs, then your shoulders, and then your ash-prone areas like your elbows, your knees, and your ankles, delivers a goddess-like glow. They're saying it is $40 for 2 ounces, and this also has, for their website, which is called Esker Beauty, they have enter Allure 20 at checkout for 20% off your order, and that's August 1st through October 31st of this year. And the amount that we got in here is 20 ml. So let's do the smell test, and then we'll put a little bit on our hand. Oh, this smells, let me just take the scrub off this hand. The scent of it is really, really beautiful. It is the type, I'm a bath girl, so at nighttime I like to use products like bath oils in the bath, and then I like to use sometimes dry oils right after the bath, as well as sometimes I'll even layer on creams and things like that. So my skin is very, very soft, and I find it's always because of taking the time to take care of it. So let's put a little bit on here, and this smells very much like one of these products that I have that is a very expensive one that has, this is beautiful, that has, it's such a calming scent to it, but it's, you don't really smell the lavender or anything like that, because for me, yeah, this is just beautiful, really, really beautiful. So I'm going to massage it as best that I can into my hand, but this is absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And the skin feels very, very soft, and it doesn't feel oily at all. But you need very little with oils, and they definitely do go. You saw how it was running. This is always really excited. So love when we get body products in here. The next is 2 products that they put in, and this is an eyelash, as well as this is from this brand called Tori Bell. They're saying this is the 9 to 5, and they're saying this is a magnitude magnetic eyelashes, and it came with the eyeliner as well. And what they wrote on here is they're saying there is no sticky or lumpy lash glue here. These are magnetically charged falsies adhering to the accompanying magnetic liquid liner, and they are amazingly, they will stay in place all day. The lashes have just enough oomph to make your own look believable, fuller, and the liner is sleek with a soft, pretty sheen. It says paint on the liner as thick line will always work best, and after 30 seconds you can apply a second coat. Then they want you to wait a few minutes until it is dry to the touch, and then add the lashes. You can slide them around until they are just right, which makes this system more forgiving than any glue. To remove, simply peel off the lashes and use regular eye makeup remover on the liner. They're saying the retail price of this is $55 for the set of eyelashes and the liner. The website that you can use a discount on is called Tori Bell Cosmetics. And they're saying the Allure 2022 at checkout, you will get 10% off your order. Of course, you can't combine it with any other offers. And this is going to be available to the end of the year, which is December 31st of 2022. The next item in here is from Sephora. And I'm happy that they're starting to do this, because I used to stay clear of some brands that were store name brands, especially in the makeup world, like Sephora, Ulta. And then one day I was in Sephora, and one of the girls was raving about these lipsticks that they had that come in this kind of like a paper cardboard type of packaging. I think they're called Lip Stories by Sephora. And it ended up in 10 lines was the one. that I ended up using that so often that I started to say to myself, I shouldn't be staying away from these brands. And then lately I got a Sephora primer in another box, and I used it all the way to the end as well. So this Sephora collection is one that we should not close our eyes to, and I'm always happy to get it in a box to be able to try. This is their Clean Skin Gel Cleanser, and it has prebiotics in it. It says this is usually a facial cleanser, are gentle, or they take off your makeup. But this gel formula is best of both worlds. It will easily remove a full face of makeup, your mascara included, without any scrubbing, tugging, or lashes. Your post-cleanse cleanup required. The silky Olay infused formula also leaves your skin softer, clearer, and soothed, and it helps clear redness, dry patches, and continuous use, and it's made of the world's a difference that they feel of their skin, which is more softer. And that's written by the person who works at Allure. It says, with results like these, you won't want to skip your facial cleansing. Rub the cleanser onto the damp skin, just sit a few minutes and it's magic. And then rinse with the face wash along with any other traces away. This is a retail price for the full size of this is only $12. This of course is a sample size. There's no discount code on this, but usually the prices are very reasonable. There was no safety seal on this when I opened it up. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand so we can see. Yeah, it's a gel-like consistency. There is no real scent to this at all. And this is one that, like I said, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try, because for me, this Sephora collection has been an absolute winner. And it looks, if I rub it vigorously, that it will have a little bit of a foam to it as well. So excited about everything that we got in the box. And then we got a bonus item here, which sometimes we get, and it will usually be on the back of the brochure. But inside here, they're also showing you that you deserve a little R&R, and they have up to 80% off the member store. And then they have bathrobes, they have the sleeping products. They also had a card in here that showed some other products here. Fantastic brands like Sunday Riley, Dr. Brandt, all at 111 Skin, all at fantastic prices, and that is what's there. So this is what's in the store all the time. And then, like I mentioned, they have these limited boxes as well. And then on the back, this is one that we got in an earlier box when I opened up, I think it was my glossy box at the beginning. And this is from Viktor and Rolf. And this is their Good Fortune. And Viktor and Rolf for me has been a brand that is usually extremely expensive. I've gotten it as gifts. Their Flower Bomb on a lot of people has been an absolute winner. On me personally, it is not a scent that I enjoyed, but it was a beautiful gift. And the bottles that they come in, even their sample sizes, are usually beautiful. But this is the typical type that you would get like in Sephora. This is what this one is here. So I'm gonna leave that sealed up. But the one that I got in the box earlier is the one that I have here. I haven't worn it yet, but I sprayed this, I can't tell you, like at the beginning of the month when I got that box, and that scent is still on the card. So to me, this is a really beautiful high-end brand, and it is one that usually on me, the scent, really stays for a long period of time. So excited about that. And what is inside this one is it has jasmine, it has the Madagascar vanilla, and it also has fennel as well. It is a completely different scent. I think it is one that is more welcoming than the other one, but their scents are very sophisticated. And like I said, that's an absolute bonus that is in here as well. There was also a card in here that tells you exactly how to use the eyelashes with the eyeliner. So that is always smart to be able to put in the box as well. Like I said, I really feel Allure, most of the time does it right. And like I said, there's so many fantastic brands in here like Tula, and then of course some brands that would be new to me, because that's what I feel the Allure box has always done for me. It has always introduced me to brands that sometimes they don't even show up in other boxes, but if they do, it's like a year from now, which is always really nice. So that's the Allure box for the month of August. Please share with me your thoughts on this box. I'd love to know if you get it, or if this is something that you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that I've just showed you here. I love that when you take the time to share it in the comments down below. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well. Make sure you're tuned into the channel. Like I said, we're gonna be having a lot of boxes to share with you today. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in the next one. Bye for now.